We spend 35% of our lives sitting. But constant pressure, sticky heat, and numbing chill take a hidden, lasting toll on our bodies. Until now, meet XPOLAR C1, the world's first active thermal control and health monitoring smart cushion. Upgrade your chair, elevate your well-being. Powered by an advanced semiconductor core, integrated cooling fins, and liquid thermal conduction, it actively adapts to your body, creating a healthy environment that lasts all day. Activate cooling to instantly banish the heat. It protects your body from overheating, empowering you to sustain long-time focus. Now, switch to Deep Warm. It boosts healthy circulation, reversing the hidden damage of sitting, and keeps you energized. The smart system learns your body's rhythm, automatically balancing temperature so you never lose focus, and gently reminds you to move before stiffness hits. Customized AI and hidden sensors do the hard work for you. Real-time posture tracking guides you with the simple score, so sitting healthy and balanced becomes completely effortless. Custom ergonomic memory foam provides comfortable support from your desk to your home to thoughtful wheelchair support. With flexible plug-in or battery power, it turns any seat into a healthy foundation. Change begins the moment you sit. XPOLAR C1. Master your seat. Master your well-being.